welcome to Annie Sky, and today we are gonna be building a tiki bar. Oh, and before I forget, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Now let's get into the video. So what we are wanting to do first is we're gonna be going on I missed it. We will want to be going on to pizza place. I know we're gonna get this. Just this. I'm gonna make my lights white. Oh, and to make sure to subscribe to Nevi TV and Alleyland. Right now I'm building this in Nevi's house. So, now go into simple shapes. Brick. Oh, wait, 1 second, guys. There we go. Now we have to go into brick. Just get that brick. Put it here. Okay, so I'm just gonna be doing this. Oh boy, how many bricks did I buy? I can tell I bought a lot. Okay, there we go. And guys, we are not only doing 1 layer, but we're doing 2 layers. So it kind of looks like a counter more. So, oh, and when it's time to decorate, you don't have to copy me. You just, if you want, you can copy my style, but you really don't have to. You can just be creative. It's really fun being creative. So, now what you're going to do is search up bar. And then you're going to get a barrier. Right there. You got your barrier. And now, there, you got it. And now what you're going to want to do is go on to kitchen. Now you're going to be going on to tables. And then wooden shelf. Put it here. There we go. Now we're going to get another wooden shelf. There we go. And guys, if you want to make it even more perfect, you're able to. Just there. Looks pretty good. And now what you are going to want to do is you're going to take your barrier. Actually, we're still going to need these. Wooden shelf. Okay, now we're just going to move this a bit over here. And then we're going to do the same. Okay. Perfect. And now, what you're going to want to do is, I'm going to search up baby. Oh boy. there. Oh well, let's go into the section, baby. Baby stuff. And then you're just gonna think, why are we going into baby? You're gonna get the wooden drawing book. There we go. You got that one. Then, okay, the drawing board appears. There, you're gonna write tiki bar. Oh boy. Now what you're gonna do is get the barrier. Oh no. Oh, what did I do? Oh boy. No, let's just replace that. Like nobody saw it. We didn't really see that. Guys, do not do that. Okay. Now I'm going by the bottom this time. Look. There we go. And now what we are going to want to do is go on to living room seating. And now get this chair. And make sure to look from the way you are. Oh boy, sitting the wrong way. That's why I always check. Oh boy, why am I? There we go. There we go. Now let's check again. Okay, that's a bit. There. That should be good. Oh, what's happening to me? Now let's check this. Perfect. It's amazing. Oh, and I'm gonna make this color pink. There we go. That's me. Yay, we're sitting the right way. And that means all the others will be sitting the right way too. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, there we go. Perfect. Oh wait, let's just make it pink like all. Pink. There we go. And now what you guys are going to want to do is go on decoration. Then you're just going to get this. Like what I'm going to do. Oh. Feel free to decorate whatever you want. Just, if you really like to copy me, it's fine, but just be creative. Do what you want. So right now, I'm just going to make it purple here. There we go. happened? It was in the perfect position. Okay, there. There we go. Okay. Oh well, whatever. We can always get a new one. Not like it's the end of the world. Okay. There we go. There we go. And now we are gonna be getting an apple. There we go. Okay. There we go. And guys, feel there you go. I'm just gonna get this. There we go. There we go. Now what you guys are gonna want to go is tropical. Just find tropical. Just you can add like them or just add some like just add a bunch of palm trees. But guys, do you know what? I'm gonna end this video right here. Thanks for watching.